Well, howdy. All right, so I'm gonna show you the progress I've made so far. There it is. That one has been connected, and I set the condenser in place. I leveled the pad. All the coppers are here, ready to be connected to the unit. I'm gonna show you the other one. I think you already saw it, but I'll show it to you again. It's around the corner. It's right there.
Oh my God! Wow!
So let's keep going. Today's not as hot as yesterday, so should be a little more pleasant. And I finally remembered to bring my umbrella. I used it at my house, so I left it over there. But let's get started.
You can do it!
How did you know how to put this all together?
I had excellent help, as will you. Quite a lot of planning went into this.
I would say so.
Right, that's connected. Now I'm gonna connect this one. All right, so I put the control wiring for that one in this conduit. There it is. Now I'm gonna connect this line set.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
All right, so I have the coppers already connected, all three line sets, as you can see, and I have the control wiring connected. About to connect the power, but before I do that, I'm gonna start the vacuum pump so that I don't waste any time. But that's where I'm at. All right, look at that new toy. Can't wait to try this out today. Let's see what it looks like inside. Here's an unpacking of the Navac Micron vacuum gauge. Oh, look at that, it comes with a pouch. That's so cool. Way better than the other one. Doesn't come with any pouch. Oh, I thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason on the box, but that's good. Comes with that. Instructions, you don't need those.
Just kidding.
And what is this? Probably a little standard tube of some sort. Oh, nice. Oh wow, that's good. Look at that. And it comes with batteries. Yay! Okay, we'll try it out and see what's what in a minute. All right, so we're all set up here. Ready to pull vacuum. Just gotta plug in the vacuum. Meet me at the pump. It's going down. That was kind of goofy, huh?
Yeah, I'm goofy, I know. But you gotta have fun.
Gotta have fun. Can't be serious all the time. Life is too serious, so you gotta make it as fun as possible.
What?
So the numbers are going the correct direction. I gotta clean up this mess that I have right here. And then, or maybe I'll finish wrapping this. And then I'm gonna start cleaning up that mess while this bad boy does its work. I replaced all the gaskets on these adapters, and I flipped this up because it was pointing down. But I replaced all the adapters, all the gaskets on the adapters, just to make sure that we don't waste time here. because then when the gaskets are damaged and you're pulling vacuum and it never goes down, then you have to reconnect everything. I mean, disconnect everything, replace the gaskets, and then reconnect everything. And you gotta find first the one that's leaking. So if they look a little damaged, I just replace them. Alright, that's all done. As usual, it's dark when I'm finished. All right, as usual, it's late at night. I'm done. There she is. That's all, folks. That was fun. And it's dark, as usual. I hope I didn't scare you.